Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. I hope you guys are doing well and preparing for your upcoming interviews. If you still have not subscribed or you have not visit completely our YouTube videos and all the playlist, I would recommend you guys just go through the videos and whatever playlist we have, it's completely based on the latest latest market update. Okay, how they used to ask the question and what are the scenarios they used to ask and what kind of work we used to do as a data engineer in the current or market. Okay, current market requirement wise. Okay, so you guys can go through the videos and those who those people who are watching our video daily basis but not subscribing, not sharing our video, I would request you guys, please do share and subscribe our channel. Okay, so that other people can get benefit of these videos. Okay, and we also can grow as a community. We also can grow, our channel can grow, so that we can provide more good contents, and you can suggest us also about the content. So okay, so let's go. Today we are going to see the fabric. Okay, our last day already we created how to create the free trial account using the Microsoft Enter ID. Okay, in Microsoft Enter ID we used to create the we created the user, and using that user how we have created the free trial, uh, free we how we sign up for the free trial in Microsoft Fabric, that we have already seen in our first video of this series. Okay, so today we are going to see that how to create a workspace, and in the workspace how we build the pipelines and all, and one small pipeline activity also we'll try to see in today's video, the copy activity and a few transformations that we will try to see. Okay, let's see first, let's create one workspace first. After that we will do. Okay, so this is our uh, by default workspace. Okay, after login. Okay, first we need to create one project workspace to create uh, mm, to work on our projects on all the mm, or the requirements. Okay, okay, so what we'll do, so let's create the workspace first. Okay, okay, so workspace creation done. So workspace is nothing but your the main directory of your project. Okay, in one, like if you go, you will able to see it's still not updated. Okay. Okay. So after once the workspace is created, now what we'll do, we'll create one lake house. Okay, so where our data we will store and the files we will store. Okay, so lake house, you can also connect your external lakehouse for extracting the data from the Azure only. Okay, but that we will see in our upcoming videos. Okay, for now we will do this thing simply. Okay, test lakehouse. Okay, we'll create here lakehouse is created. You can see, so this is your lakehouse. There are files also there, tables also there. So what we'll do, we'll create some subfolders. Okay, for source like this, and one another is sync. Okay, so in source file we will upload our one file. Okay, one data file we will upload first. Okay, so you can see in source file data is there, we can see the data like this. Okay, okay, so now lots of thing you can do. Okay, from here. Okay, this is a file view. If you transfer it to table view, in table view also you will able to see. Okay, but this it is considering as a data, not a header. Okay, as we have this as a CSV file and we didn't upload it properly using the code. Okay, so you, if you go to one like now you can see your test workspace is visible. It is loaded. It is taking time sometimes. Okay, under that you have this, these are the under in workspace, whatever content, whatever things, activities or pipelines or notebooks, whatever you will use, you will get to see all the things are here. Okay, so test workspace is your the root directory of your project. Okay, so after that, what here what we'll do, we we will create one pipeline. Okay, so we need to go to pipeline activity then. So we'll go to test workspace. Okay, in workspace we'll create the pipeline, a new item. Okay, test pipe. Okay, so the this is the pipe. Now we have created the pipe. Okay, so see, this is nothing kind of Azure Data Factory. Okay, the same Azure Data Factory backend code used to use here only. Okay, okay, so now we'll create one in pipe. We will create one activity. Okay, so this is the copy activity, as like same in ADF we used to have. So few things are different that we'll see gradually. We will try to understand what are the things. Okay, so in connection already we have Lakehouse. Okay, it is our internal Lakehouse uh, under our project directory. Okay, so if you have the Lakehouse externally, then you have to connect the external Lakehouse. That is the separate procedure that I will show you in our upcoming videos. Okay, so the root folder is a file. Okay, so here we will browse it first. So this is the source. So our work is to copy this file and put it in the sync location. Okay, so in destination we need to select the lake house. Okay, same as a file it will get stored. Okay, so sync, in sync folder we will store. Sync folder there is nothing. Okay, so all done. uh, we can do these things parameterize. Okay, that we will see later also. There today this video is just simply how to perform these things, and based on that only. Okay, so now uh, after copying the data, we need to delete the data from the source system. This is the simple requirement on our industry basis. Every time we used to do, after copying it, we used to delete the file from the source system. And we sometimes after copying the thing, we used to archive in separate location also. Okay, so now we will delete from the source file only. Okay, so that's why we will browse it. Okay, so for now we have the static file. Okay, if we need to dynamic it, there are multiple files like some naming convention, then we need to do it like that using the dynamic content. Okay, and source would be the same for that. Okay, that will show later. Okay, so after that, so recursively, if you don't want, you can for for now you can uncheck also. I'm checking it. don't need to enable login. Okay, for now you can turn it off. Now after that, what we'll do, we'll just validate the thing. So there are no issue, pipeline are validated. Okay, now we'll save it first, and you can schedule it from this scheduler. Okay, I'm not scheduling anything. Okay, for now I will directly run it. Okay, let's run it. You can see run has started. This activity list is currently refreshing. Every time it once it is complete, it will get refreshed. Copy data copy is done. You can see success. Now the delete activity is performing. Yeah, this is also success. Okay, now go to our let's go to our workspace. This is our test workspace. Okay, so every time when you are logging, you need to check this thing also. This clicking on fabric, you should be on this option, fabric, develop new data analytics and end-to-end solution. This is for Power BI team. Okay, so in workspace we need to go to our Lakehouse. Okay, so when we are creating the Lakehouse, there is two types of Lakehouse. It would be created by default. Semantic model would be there, and there is a SQL analytics endpoint also. Okay, so let's go. And now you can see once you refresh, yeah, your source, the in source the file is get deleted. In sync, let's see the data is there or not. Yeah, Indian employees.csv data is there. You can see how we perform the copy activity. So you also can try from your side. If you are facing any kind of challenges, you can directly connect with me via topmate. The service is free, there is nothing you need to pay. Okay, and also you can comment on the video comment section. I will reply back to your comment, and I will try to give you the understanding. Okay, if you are facing any kind of challenges. So thank you for watching our video. If you still have not subscribed, I would request you guys, please subscribe our channel and follow our these playlists. You will get to understand. If you are new in ADF or Databricks, you can follow this playlist, these three playlists also. And if you are preparing for your interview, this interview series, scenario based interview and SQL interview series, these are all important for you guys. Okay, so thank you. And if you are if you want to learning the link service and all data sets, how to use to create in ADF, for that also we have this playlist you can go through. And if you are thinking that our video is very much efficient to learning this data engineering stuffs, I would request you guys share with your friends and subscribe our channel and support us. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned for next video. For now, bye.